begin, the cartridge is prepared. The vacuum tube is attached to the lid, and the other end is connected to the vacuum pump. The tube is then secured to the table using the clamp. Next, the monomer ampule is opened. After the filter is attached, the prepared ampule is placed into the funnel. The funnel is positioned on the cartridge so the liquid can flow in. The empty ampule and filter are then disposed of. The polymer is carefully added through the funnel. The funnel is gently tapped, and the lid is screwed tightly onto the cartridge. A vacuum is then created using the pump. Once the gauge needle reaches the green zone, the mixing process can begin. The manufacturer's specified mixing time must be followed. After the mixing time has elapsed, the plunger is pulled fully upwards until the blue break-off ring becomes visible. The vacuum pump is then turned off. The plunger is broken off and the tube is removed. Next, the bottom plate is unscrewed, and the cartridge is firmly attached to the cementing gun. The cement is pushed forward. The blue wing screw at the cartridge tip is removed, and the required application nozzle is attached. A femoral seal can also be used if needed. The cement is now ready to be dispensed. Before use, the consistency should be checked using the finger test.